This next project is called Tessellations. This is really a very simple process, but makes for a really interesting design. We start with a square and we divide it into three parts. It doesn't really matter where you draw on it and cut on it as long as you have three differently shaped parts. Next, we line it back up in the square, and then we put it end to end. So we take the opposite side and simply move it over and tape those pieces together. We look at the image and we start tracing it in the squares available. And then it is our process to repeat this over and over and over again. We have to make sure that we get them even every time within the square. Now we have to decide what sort of design we're going to make. In this case, I am going to create a rose design. And so in each square we have to recreate the same design. And then we go over it with color. In this case, I'm doing a pink rose with a green border, which is going to represent the leaves around the rose. Once this is complete, then what we do is we create a little bit more contrast by going in and outlining some of the lines so that the rose will actually show up. And I'm darkening a portion of my green so that it doesn't look like a big blob of green all the way around. Makes one area darker than the other. Then I am going to finish this up by actually adding a few different colors. Instead of making all pink roses, I'm doing a variety. I'm using orange and yellow and red to create some contrast. And in the end, we end up with a really neat design, a rose tessellation.